Experiencing frequent internet drops with your Spectrum modem? You're not alone. These disconnections often stem from two main issues: signal drops and noise interference. Signal drops refer to a temporary loss of internet connectivity due to a weak signal. Noise interference involves electromagnetic interference, disrupting data transmission. Spectrum uses a hybrid fiber coaxial (HFC) network. Problems arise when signals weaken or get corrupted, especially in older coaxial sections. A key metric is the signal-to-noise ratio (SNR). An SNR below 30 dB can cause frequent drops. Other causes can be outdated equipment, loose cable connections, or even interference from household electronics. Household electronics can cause electromagnetic interference. In high-density areas, network congestion during peak hours, evenings, also contributes to instability, sometimes leading to 10 to 20-minute daily outages. Understanding electromagnetic interference helps identify noise sources. The first step is determining if it's signal strength or noise causing the issue. Start with basic hardware checks. Ensure all coaxial cables are securely connected and undamaged. Use surge protectors to safeguard against power fluctuations. Update your modem. Spectrum requires DOCSIS 3.1 or higher for speeds over 200 megabits per second. Use Spectrum's app to diagnose modem health and run speed tests. For noise issues, try shielded coaxial cables and noise filters. Advanced users can access modem logs or use Wi-Fi analyzer apps to identify interference frequencies. Consider upgrading to a mesh Wi-Fi system for better coverage and reduced drops. If problems persist, contact Spectrum support, noting specific error messages or SNR values. A recent infrastructure upgrade program is expanding fiber optics, reducing drop rates, but rural areas may still need extra attention. While waiting for improvements, explore temporary solutions like Faraday cages or signal boosters, and consider owning your modem instead of renting for potential cost savings and better performance.